Alright, so this is one of the other, like, another one of those that you can just go inside the cage. I don't know how I feel about this, but here we go. Oh god. Look at monkeys! Look at them! Monkeys! But those are inside. But you see those ropes? There gotta be monkeys somewhere, right? Well, that's nice to know. I mean, it's not like the monkey's right there.
Oops, digging the pocket.
That sound doesn't sound good. Animal adventure. Another one inside the cage. Whoa, look at that. Well, it's time to go inside. After all this time, guys, I finally got it. I finally got that thing. Fish and chips. The most traditional English food out there. Fish and chips. Now we're gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna have a fine lunch here in London with my fish and chips. How cool is that? Couldn't feel more English? Ooh, but there's no space. Oh yeah, there is. There's one more space in there. Ooh. They're going crazy. Alright. Gotta save some battery for the gorilla. Peace.
And this actually provides penguins with camouflage. Now I know what you're thinking. Sonia, are you mad? We can see the penguins, they're quite clear, they're in the water, they're black and white, the water's bright blue. It's terrible camouflage. But actually, we need to put ourselves out into the wild. We need to imagine that we are a predator for the penguin. For example, a killer really in front of you is white belly, which again will blend brilliantly with the bright sky above the sea. And again, the penguin gets to swim another day undetected by its prey. This is actually the same counter shade.
Alright. Here we go again. Oh, this one got chains. And more chains. Whoa. Okay.
Daily round, visiting the same sequence of flowers every day.
It looks like a bunch of Adrians, you know, just chilling. They're just not moving, are they? Look at this one. That's Adrian in his man cave. He's chilling in the corner. The gorillas was horrible. It was 4 or 5 gorillas, I think. I saw like 2, but they were so small. I don't know if they're babies, but they're like 2 feet tall, 3 feet tall, and they were not buff. So that was kind of like whatever. I didn't even record it because I don't think it was worth it. I have low battery. So right now I'm gonna go see the giraffe, and I don't know what else. I just like went under the tunnel, and I'm going to the Africa part of the zoo. Into Africa. Here we go. Now let's see some cool shit. Not like the monkeys and the tigers and the lions. They were so skinny and small. I expected something like, whoa. This is what I'm talking about, you see? This is the type of stuff I want to see, not small ass lions. I like zebras. Hell are you? That's so beautiful. Hyenas are crazy. It's gonna be fun. With the lemurs. Let's go. I'm actually excited for this one. Welcome to Madagascar. Where's Kim Yulin at? Whoa. Alright, where's Kim Yulin? Where's Sabu Mafu? Where are they? Oh, here's one. You changed, right? I'm not in the same one. Oh, okay. Here he is. And the more quiet you are, the best it is. Look at this. Look how many.
Lite mysisk så okej. Ja men det är riktigt kallt.
Come on. Hello, friend. Shh. You know, I saw Pumbaa on the other side. Should we all plan an escape? Alright. You know me then? Got another friend. Look at this one. What's up? You cool? Look at this one here, she's just sleeping. Hey, good morning. Morning. Good night.
I simply couldn't choose. All animals are so sleepy.
In the world is the pink fairy armadillo, which only reaches around 5 inches in length. But the largest armadillo species is the giant brown armadillo, which can reach an impressive 5 feet in length, so bigger than some of you here in the audience. But something that armadillos have meerkats come from? Is it Russia or is it Africa? So hands up for Russia, hands up for Africa. Fantastic, most of you got it right. It is Africa. Meerkats are only found in the Kalahari Desert out in southern Africa.
Imperial War Museum. See what's up. So two big ass cannons, that's for sure. I don't even know if they actually meant something, like they were used or something like that. You know what's funny? How everywhere, just like people just laying down, like just chilling, like in the corner, wherever there's grass. If there's grass, it works. So that's pretty cool. Just lay down, and I'm not talking about teenagers. I'm talking about like everybody, like proper families, like people with suit. They don't completely lay down, but they sit everywhere. Now this is a museum. Look at this place. Look at that one. What is that thing doing there? Well, let's get down. Let's do this.